Thank you, Mr. Davenport.
Thank you, Tony.
Mr. Davenport, you will not be disappointed.
Good.
You say hello to Bev and the boys for me, huh?
Will do.
And I'll see you.
Tuesday?
You got my word.
I appreciate it, Tony.
You take care now.
You too.
Thanks for coming in.
All right.
Yo, Gomez. Got milk?
Yeah, you like that.
Hook tips and it's good. Double play.
Beers win. And Weimer still nailing down that strikeout.
You're wonderful. Is this not one of the hottest bands on television? Rock and roll! Well, aren't they truly gifted? And not a green card in the bunch.